Join me today as I explore one of Bangkok's largest car markets.
Top spin around the back of your head. Back then it was me and bro back at the bus Bakey. Hate losing and I don't miss, so I must got a 3.1 KD. Bro's got a 3.5 in the back of the 2.1. Ford Focus on my man.
We've arrived in Poon Sap Market and the taxi driver was going through everything at a rate of knots. So we got here 10 or 15 minutes earlier than we thought we would. So a bit more time to explore Poon Sap anyway. X-Speed. There you go, if you want to buy fenders for a Ford Ranger, there you go, or a Toyota Fortuner, or police lights. I think if I even thought about having them on a car in the UK, I would get pulled over and sentenced to life. They've got parts for bikes as well, or scooters. I'm guessing all these parts have been machined here, ready to put in your engine to make it go light speed. Got all the amps that you think you'd need all the way here. All the different controllers for it as well, for the subs. Where do I come from? I come from the UK. Big power. Yeah. Gonna go in? Handmade.
Handmade modified.
Oh, cool. You're building this? Oh my, all these are yours? Okay. Oh mate.
Thai hospitality is something else. It was amazing to see that this guy let me into his workshop and just show me what he was working on.
With television in there as well?
TV.
Awesome. Oh, so they build the custom shelves and the units to go into the vans. There's a rather mean looking Brabus. I think it's Brabus. It's got the Brabus wheels, but it's like an old S-Class coupe, and they're rigging it out with a new speaker system. Over here it looks like they're fabricating and welding exhausts. More car audio. Like, it looks like you can just get lost around here for hours. Look at that. It's a 5D car mat.
Yeah, what's 5D?
I have no idea what a 5D car mat is. I think this has to be one of my favourite finds in this place. It's not so much a car as much as it is just speakers on wheels. These are hilarious.
As we were walking around, we spotted this place that does stickering for cars, and this is where we saw this amazing Ford Ranger.
Not sure if you've ever seen an ambulance like this before, but look at this carbon bonnet. Emergency Thailand Club. Carbon mirrors. An essential if you want your life saved in an ambulance. I think that is the coolest ambulance I've seen. It's one hell of a Hilux. That's got a full water pump, it's a fire engine. That has got one hell of a lift to it. beat the 5D one and we found the 6D one. Recaros. Got Brembos over there, but if you look closely, it says Orembo. There's a cat. I don't know much about scooters and bikes, but this is a bit of a unit. So this is their shop. Hot Time Racing Shop. Right, we found Orembo, we found Brembo, and now I found Brombo. There's also BRC, MBO. I have completely lost track as to where we've walked and what we've visited. I mean, a lot of the places just sell the same sort of stuff, but hey, if you like cars and car parts, you never get tired of looking at stuff like this. More Recaros and more Brides. We're gonna go inside one of the buildings where there's, as you can see behind me, there's a lot more markets and stalls. So we're just gonna have a quick wander around through that. Obviously we are seeing brands like Momo and OMP, Brembo, but if you're looking to buy the real thing, I wouldn't probably come here, I'd probably look somewhere else. Never thought I'd see it, but there's AP Racing. Look at these gauges. I've seen a couple of taxi drivers with these knocking about. I'm gonna move back as that reverse camera is setting off. There's another one setting off as well. Can't get away from them. I've no idea why I'm stood in front of a music store in this place. Guitars, guitar picks. Some of these brands I've never heard of apart from Yamaha, or some of the guitars I've never seen before in my life either. I really want one of them steering wheels, and it's for no other reason than Twink in Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. He had one of them wheels attached to the back of his bag, so when we get to Japan I just want to strut around with that bleeding steering wheel, but I've got nothing to put it on when I get back home. It's not real, so I can't sell it for anything either. You've got little NOS gear sticks as well, and something beeping others. Oh, it's that thing. I've not seen one of them in absolutely ages. Remember them when everyone's dad used to have them in the UK? Either you're someone's dad or you're a taxi driver, one of the two. Also, where's BYD? Mate, that is clean. It's got Vorsteiner wheels. It's on air suspension, which means it's just slammed. Sure, that actually looks quite clean without the number plate on the back. I think we've seen most of the market, and I think we've spent a good 2 hours just wandering around, so we've seen all the bits to do with the cars, and if you're not into cars, I don't think you'd really enjoy this at all. But if you are into cars and you just want something different, then if you've got a spare day to kill, then why not? Why not do it? The rain is starting to come down, and we're going to make a quick getaway back into the centre of Bangkok.